Hello everyone, thank you for joining my tutorials. Today we'll learn how to prepare false color composite image from the Sentinel-2 data. So if you don't know how to download a Sentinel-2 data, we'll go here and we'll type here as a USGS Earth Explorer. In the USGS Earth Explorer, once you will go here, you need to log in first. Okay, so after login your area, you need to select your study area first. So to select a study area, here is the option for the address and place. We can search by address and place. So if you'll if I'll type here any area and I will click on the show option is there. So here is the option for the Pune. Suppose I want to download a Sentinel data for this area. So I will click on the data set. After that, I will click on Sentinel 2, here Sentinel, and this we need to select. After selection this, I will click on the result. In the result option, here we need to select and proper area which is covering. So these two tiles are covering. So here we can able to see metadata. This small icon is there. So all the metadata information is there. So what is the resolution of the data? Say 10, 20, 30, then UTM zone, all the information about uh, image, satellite image is there. So to download this, here is the option, download option. Once you click on the download, you need to download this JPG file format. So this is 766 MB. Once you click on the download, it will start download. So this is already downloading one image. So like this, your image will download. So after downloading this, we can open it into ArcGIS. So this is my image. So here you will see, I will refresh this. So once I'll click here on the image, then you can able to see here 2SA. Once I'll click there, then there is a granule option. In the granule, this L1C option is there, and in that image data option is there. So here band 2, band 3, band 4, all the information is there. So if you'll see this, what is band? So in this GI geography, there is a page. If you'll see here, Sentinel-2 band and combinations. So this kind of false color composite image we want to prepare. So Sentinel-2 band combination are there. So there are actually there are bands. So if you'll see here, all the bands information is given below. So 12 bands are there mostly. So if you'll see resolution of all the bands. So here is a band 2 10 meter, band 3 10 meter, band 4 10 meter, and band 8 is 10 meter. So this is a blue, green, red, and this is near infrared. So I want to prepare false color composite and natural color composite. If we'll select band 432, then it will be natural color composite, and band 843 will be false color composite. So I'm interested to prepare this false color composite. To prepare this false color composite, I will take band 2, band 3, band 4, and band 8. So all these are having a 10 meter resolution. So if you'll see, if I'll zoom here, in any pixel, if you'll see here, this is a measurement tool. So this is a 10, if you're able to see. So length, if you'll see here, so it is nearly 10. So all the pixel are having a 10 meter resolution mostly. So now to create a band composite, here is the option that is Arc Toolbox. When we'll click on the Arc Toolbox, we'll go in the Arc Toolbox, and after that there is a option that we have to follow to prepare band composite. So data management tool, after data management tool, raster, after raster there is a raster processing and composite band. So here we'll take sequence wise band 2, band 3, band 4, and band 8. Like this sequence wise we'll take. So band 3, band 4, and band 8. After that, we need to select a folder where we want to save this data. So suppose I want to save this data here. I will give name as a new folder, no problem. In that, I will give band composite, and I will save, and I will click on OK. So after clicking on OK, it will take a little bit time and it will create a band composite image. So here if you'll see, so this is the natural color composite image, band 432. If I'll select, it will be natural color composite. When I will select band 843, then it will be false color composite. So this red area giving a vegetation area mostly. So we'll go again to ArcGIS and we'll see our process completing or not. After that, I will show you both the false color composite and also true color composite. And for this process, it takes little bit time. So if you want to create a different band composite, then you can select different bands combination. So here are for agriculture, you need to select band 11, 8 and band 2. For geology purpose, you need to select this kind of band. For bathymetry, this vegetation index, you need to divide this. So like this, you need to do. So we'll go here. So now false color composite is ready. So now I'll right click, properties, and here I will select band 4, 3, 2, apply. Band, this one is our band of band 3, 2, 1, apply. Then you can able to see this natural color composite image. If I'll click on OK, so this is natural color composite image. And this is, if you'll see this green color indicating some vegetation area like this. If I'll click on the properties, I will give band 4, 3, 2, apply and OK. So now this is a false color composite image. So like this, we can prepare false color composite image and we can get the information. So like this, it is very easy to prepare a band composite in ArcGIS. Thank you.